In this video, I will be showing you how I invented my own e-bike motor and how China forced me to stop. But let's go back to the beginning. I 3D printed a motor mount and used a skateboard motor to build a 30 mph, 3 kilowatt e-bike. But I wanted to take this a step further. I wanted to invent my own e-bike motor. After months of designing, I was ready to start printing. Assembling the gearbox after months of hard work was really rewarding. I 3D printed gears using PLA, not knowing whether they would be able to handle my torque requirements, but willing to give it a go. Unfortunately, this design was too loud and inefficient. I could also sense a smell of burning plastic. Not sure what that could have been. So I went back to the drawing board. This time, I utilized an off-the-shelf planetary gearbox used for stepper motors and linked it with my skateboard motor to form a compact setup which I would be able to install under any bike. Once again, everything seemed to be coming together beautifully. I was absolutely sure that I would be installing this motor very soon. Unfortunately, I could not have predicted what I would find out next.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
After finding out that I can buy a 1000 watt mid-drive motor for £430, I realized my project is over. I can't compete with it, and in fact, as disheartening as it is to say after this much effort, it would be pointless, as this is better and for a better price. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the project and would like to see more, click subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.